Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning. We're going to turn it over to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbreth over in the Weather Center for a look at our forecast. I know earlier you mentioned there's going to be some fog, but it looks like there's a lot of fog in Grants Pass. You can barely see really anything out of our weather cam right now.
Yeah, but it's really interesting because the visibility sensor in Grants Pass is saying that visibility is only being reduced down to 5 miles, but I would argue, and I think most people, you know what? Forget what I just said, because the visibility sensor just updated and now it's being reduced down to half of a mile. And this is in combination with some temperatures that are at freezing this morning in Grants Pass. So that could be some freezing fog. Temperatures this morning are well below freezing to the east of the Cascades, below freezing for the Shasta Valley, kind of a mixed bag within the Rogue Valley, which means that for most inland spots, you'll likely need a heavy jacket and also an ice scraper. But along the coast, maybe just a light jacket would suffice. Here's your hiking planner for today for the Rogue Valley. And once we get past the morning, as we head into the afternoon at the peak of daytime heating, it's going to be a nice day to go on a hike because we'll end up having a lot of sunshine and we'll have some temperatures that'll end up being about 5 to 10 degrees above average for this time of the year. That means we're going to end up in the middle 50s to the east of the Cascades, flirting with 60 for west side valleys. In fact, I think we'll likely breach 60 degrees for the Rogue Valley, and then we'll be in the low 60s along the coast in Curry County. We'll have some cloudier conditions to start off for this morning, but plenty of sunshine a little bit later today. And then for tonight, we'll see the return of some mostly clear skies, or skies will continue to be mostly clear from this evening into the overnight hours. But what we'll actually see the return of will be some fog, more fog that we're expecting for our west side valleys of southern Oregon. Also, it's going to be pretty cold once again. Temperatures comparable to what we have for this morning. 20s to the east of the Cascades, near freezing for the Shasta Valley. Kind of the same thing for the Rogue Valley, and then middle to upper 40s along the coast in Curry County. And then we're tracking a storm system into Wednesday. It's not going to be all that impressive. We'll go ahead and show you that with Stormcast. We'll stop this right around 5 p.m. Here it comes, approaching from the north, could provide some rainfall to the coast, also up into the Cascades, but the storm system's really going to stall out and it's going to start to weaken as we head deep into Wednesday evening, even into Thanksgiving morning. Could be left over with a few sprinkles at that point, but I think Thanksgiving Day is looking mostly dry. It's looking pretty seasonal as well. That weather is going to continue into Black Friday too. So overall, over the next 7 days, looking very dry, not what you want to see for this time of the year, but these temperatures are what you want to see. Pretty mild over the next couple of days and starting to get seasonal on Thanksgiving and beyond. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll see dry weather for today and then showers likely late Wednesday into very early in the morning on Thanksgiving Day. But I'm thinking Thanksgiving for the most part is going to be mostly dry. And then for Siskiyou County, can't rule out a sprinkle for tomorrow, but I think the Siskiyous are going to shield a lot of Siskiyou County from any substantial rainfall at all. Then for the basin, also it's kind of the same thing, except the Cascades are going to shield the east side from a lot of substantial rainfall. So we could have a sprinkle or two, but that's about it. Showers looking more likely for the Cascades at this point, but chances of heavy snowfall accumulations in the Thursday morning are looking pretty low. I mean, snow levels could fall down to around 5,500 feet, but not expecting any widespread travel impacts. Then for the Rogue Valley, we'll have a chance for showers on Wednesday, but Thanksgiving Day is looking nice and seasonal and sunny.